I'm gonna try it on. Yo, man, y'all knew I had to get these. What's up, 255 fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join the family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2FlyB, and today I have another review for y'all today. As y'all seen by the title, it's another pair of sunglasses. Let's go and hop into it. Alright, y'all, getting right into the box for this unboxing. The box itself is just white, all over white box. Nice materials, feels solid. On the front you have word Prada in silver, as you can see, in silver. And that's the only thing on the box. Once I take the box out, we're greeted with this. And it just says Prada in white as well. This is a hard case cover, white leather. Getting into the box, so I'm gonna sit that to the side. As we get back in the inside to see what else comes with it, we have this here. And this is all, like, you know, the product authentication booklets. We have another cleaning cloth, and it's branded, it says Prada. And I do like the carrying pouch. It says Prada, as you see down there, and it's padded. It's real soft and it's padded. So that's the hardcover case to travel with, and this is like a soft pouch. And this odd color is navy blue, but I like it, and I like the attention to detail to put Prada on the carrying pouch as well, and it just feels good. So, oh, also what I wanted to show at the bottom of the box, it says Prada upside down and the right way. So no matter what way you flip the box, you still can read that it says Prada, and it's on all sides of the box. All right, y'all, so let's put everything back in here so we can get to the sunglasses. All right, y'all, so look, this is the case that they sent me. Now, this is what I don't like about this case. This one it's magnetic, but mine, I don't know if it got hit around too much on the way being delivered to me, but like it don't stay unless I hit it, and then it stays. You see what I'm talking about? And it's like kind of like lopsided, like it's off. It's not centered like it should be. So yeah, my hardcover case got damaged on the way, but it's all good because the sunglasses are good, and this is not my only hardcover case like this, so it's okay. When you open this up, this is lined, filled with like velvet or suede. This feels very soft, premium materials. Also, as you open it up, what I like is as soon as you open it, so you have it here in silver and Prada, when you open the case up, you get it again right above the sunglasses. So it's like you can't miss it. Prada, Prada. Proud of yourself for sure. Definitely proud of myself. So I have to proud of myself, man. Y'all know I love sunglasses. As y'all see, black. Now, you always have a nice pair of black sunglasses. You know, I got a couple nice black sunglasses. But, bro, sit that to the side, and y'all, these are the sunglasses. Nice square lens, but it still sits out some going around. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. So that was a quick 360 view of them. All right, so as we going around, y'all, on the front, you see it's nothing. On the left lens, it's kind of hard to see, but it says Prada up in here. Kind of hard to see right here. Right lens, you have nothing. On the right arm, on the exterior, you have Prada in silver, which I know I like it. The silver detailing to go with my silver jewelry. That's on the right arm. On the left arm, you have Prada again on the other side, so you can see what's going on here. And these looks good. Let me see if you can see it over here, because there's some good light. See the Prada in the top, left lens. Okay, now the light hand. These are a pair of nice black sunglasses. In the inside on the right arm, you have Prada, made in Italy. You also have Prada on this silver detailing right here, which is nice. More than once, that's nice. On the inside of the left arm, on the silver detailing right here, it says Prada again, right here. It says Prada, and these are just serial numbers. Besides that, it's nothing else on the sunglass, bottom of it. I I do like the Prada on the side. I do like that. You see the Prada hidden on the sides. And now I'm going to try it on. Yo, man, y'all knew I had to get these. I have a pair of black Prada sneakers, so I was looking for a pair of black Prada sunglasses, and when I seen these, I said, oh yeah, these is going to look nice on my face. And I was 100% correct. Look at them. Turn to this side. See the Prada on this side, you send you looking. And then on this side as well. These are a nice pair of black sunglasses, man. I like these a lot. And the Prada sneakers I have, they look good with them. I wish I had the Prada shoes out so I can show y'all, but I don't feel like pulling them out, bro. I just don't feel like pulling them out. But anyway, man, this is the review for these sunglasses. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Or y'all like them? Would y'all cop these? Cop a drop for these, man. And you know, it's only right when my details him when I got the shoes to match. And it's a plus when, you know, the shape looks good on your face. That's the thing, when you start buying sunglasses and you really get into them, you really get to learn your face and your face structure, and you will know what looks good on you and what don't. What pair of sunglasses will look good and what pair will not. Like, everything don't fit everybody's face. So just you know, you just gotta know. Once you start buying enough, you will know what will look good on you. You know, that's just like some clothes. If they got this in your size, every piece of clothing don't looks good on everybody. You know. So just because they got your size in, don't mean your body's supposed to be in it. If it's not good for your body, then you shouldn't wear it just because it's in your size. Same with sunglasses. And if you don't know your structure or whatever, I would say go into a sunglass store, you know, but try on some sunglasses, see what looks good on your face, see what feels good on your face. How do it sit on your nose? You know, that's important to know too. I normally sit my sunglasses down. I don't never have my sunglasses all the way up to my eyes. More like cool laid back look. But these is it for these sunglasses, man. I hope y'all enjoyed these, because these is nice, man. I'm not gonna cap. And if y'all notice, I'm gonna show y'all my, hold on. Went for two different styles. So I have two pairs of Prada sunglasses. If y'all haven't seen my other pair of Prada sunglasses review, go ahead and check them out. They like yin and yang. I got this white pair, but you see like the round going around. The sunglasses itself is like more futuristic, and then these pair here, these are square. You see, it's kind of like a square. It's not a full square, but it's kind of squared off compared to this. So it's like, you know. So these are hard, man. These is definitely the pair that I decided to go with. I like both of them. Let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions on these. How y'all feeling about them? Go ahead and put these on to finish out this video. Alright, y'all, that's it for this review. If y'all enjoyed the video, go ahead and like, subscribe. Let me know your comments down below. I do read the comments. I do respond back to the comments. You know, we're a community over here. Let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at 2FlyB. My Snapchat is FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. And I'm going to get up with y'all next video. Be smooth.